Welcome back. Now, once you understand how to manipulate each block, you then have flexibility in terms of determining how your content appears on the page. So, for example, if we were to take this heading setting and we were to align that heading to the left, we were to take this block where we have the audio, and we were to make sure that what it does was to loop, and we were to take this image file and we were to reduce the image size, we can then begin to manipulate the blocks onto our page. So, for example, we might feel as if we want to have our audio appear above or below a particular heading. And that's the case, what we would do is we can then take these arrows, we can move the block that way. So for example, if I click this up arrow, that block is now going to move above the heading. We can then take this block, we can move that above the heading. And we can achieve the same results by dragging and dropping the boxes where we want them to be. Now, in some cases, you might find that it's difficult to use your mouse to grab the right place. When you don't have a lot of blocks, what you can do is just use the arrows as you want them to be. And then you'll be able to get those blocks into the position where you want them. So by manipulating your block settings, as well as moving them up and down on the page, you can have different elements to appear on your site where you want them. And so one way to achieve this is whenever you have a major change in what you're doing, you can place that content inside of its own block and then experiment as to where you want that particular content to be on your page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in another video.